Hello and welcome to Gregory Makes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little crackers for your Christmas table. To make these crackers you will need scissors and a craft knife, glue stick and a ruler, an eraser, pencil or pen, and as many sheets of cards as crackers you would like to make, plus an extra one with which to make a template with. If you're using cracker snaps, you also need a glue gun and some glue. And to tie off the crackers, you'll want either some twine or some ribbon. And lastly, you'll want some treats to put in your cracker, be it jokes, party hats, or some little treats. Firstly, you'll want to make yourself a template. Now, you can either take one which I will show up on the screen in a moment and print off, or I will take you through measurements if you don't have a printer, where you can make your own template. Draw a rectangle 275mm wide by 175mm high. Then draw lines 25mm at every interval all the way down. Then you'll want to draw a line 70mm in from either side. And from each of these lines you'll want to draw a line 20mm either side of that line. Finally, draw a dot 1 cm either side of your new vertical lines, and from those points make diamonds. Alternatively, take a screenshot of this image and print it to A4. The red line will be your cut line and the green lines will be your score lines. Once you've got your template, cut it out as shown. Place your template on a cutting board and frame it with some tape. This will make producing multiple of the same much quicker. If you mark the fold lines on the tape, it will make creating these fold lines at regular intervals much quicker. Trace your template. If you place it in the corner, you'll only have two sides left to cut out. Cut out your cracker, and for a really clean finish you can erase your lines, or if you're going to fold it on the inside, then you don't need to worry about it. Align your cut out cracker on your template board and then line up your ruler on the black lines that you've drawn. Then taking your craft knife or your Stanley knife, score along at each line. Now you've got your cracker well scored, take your ruler to support it and start folding along your score lines. To add the cracker snap, lay your cracker plan down flat and then place the snap. You want to make sure that you leave this side and this side free, but otherwise the cracker can go either side. Next you want to just carefully glue down a little spot on each side of the cracker handle. If your cracker snaps don't quite fit in your cracker, you can always trim them before gluing them in place. Repeat this with all your other crackers. Stick these crackers together, glue one full side tab, and then roll the cracker. Stick it together. You want to make sure you line up the diamonds and the edges. Create a good seal. Repeat with all the other crackers. You can do this with a glue gun, but I feel that you get a nicer result with just a Pritt stick. Then you want to tie one end of each cracker off. Take some twine, cut a small piece, and loop it around. Carefully squeeze it together and tie it off. Leaving this end open, you'll then want to add whatever treat you fancy to put in there. If you wanted a joke, or a hat, or a little toy, then you want to close off the other end with a similar length piece of twine or ribbon. Repeat this for your other crackers. You can of course make these crackers out of any sort of card, or wrap them in paper or wrapping paper to match your Christmas theme. I personally quite like these white ones. I find they look quite nice, minimalist and clean, and they look really nice placed inside Christmas tree on the branches. Alternatively, you could write place names on each cracker and as them as place settings on your Christmas table. If the strings are a bit long, you can always cut them. And there you have it, 6 delightful Christmas crackers, ready for Christmas. So there you have it, DIY Christmas cracker, ready for your Christmas table. If you like this video, please like, give it a thumbs up, or please subscribe.